The Wireless Internet Service Providers Association believes we should be able to live and work where we choose. We're here to help our hometowns, farms, and rural residents not only connect, but compete, thrive, and flourish. To make that happen, we need reliable, high-speed internet, and that's where fixed wireless broadband comes in. Expanding fiber networks to farms and rural small towns is expensive. It's a much more cost-effective solution for providers and community members when we build fiber to a tower, then use advanced fixed wireless service to beam a high-speed internet connection to customers for miles in every direction. Using point-to-point and point-to-multipoint connections from towers, grain elevators, and other tall structures, we deliver a secure, encrypted internet signal to homes and businesses via discrete on-premises equipment. Fiber can be built directly to the tower or relayed from a different tower to attain maximum reach, and unlike a high-latency satellite signal that could mean slow upload speeds and lagging, fixed wireless broadband delivers a low-latency, high-bandwidth connection to a small, controlled number of homes and businesses. When we have the opportunity to work remotely, sell our products online, and practice precision agriculture, small towns succeed, and so does America.